This is a warning. Do not put them in hot water. Do not. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. I'm here with the DIY for these candles. I saw this on TikTok and I decided to try it. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you subscribed already, then thank you for being here once again. If you want to see how I managed to create these candles, then just keep on watching the video. I am going to take this glass tin and this is what I'm going to fill in with warm water, not hot. Do not make it hot because the candles will melt, I think. Let me just fill it with warm water. These are the candles that I bought, and yeah, now I'm going to put my candles inside the warm water. You have to soak them until they become a little bit soft, then you can start bending. I figured out that the water is not enough for the candles, so I think I'm going to use the sink. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I think I'll leave them in here for some couple of minutes. So just to tell you about the candles, I got them from an online shop. It's called Tafel Deco. Why did I get two of those? Okay, I got two of this pink. It's called Fagia. I don't know. Like, yeah, that's two of them. I wanted to get one. I think there was a mistake that I ordered two. Kiwi. This one was leaf green, chestnut, mandarin, mellow rose, mint blue. Let me just wait for the candles to just soften up and then I will start the bending process. Yay! I'm so excited.
Several months later.
So I am going to start with this pink one. I'm so scared. Let me see. Let me start turning it. Okay, it's working. It's working. I'm scared, so I'm going like slowly. You have to make sure that you're turning it underwater, because if you take it out of the water, it's going to break. Trust me. Can you see, guys? Ooh. Okay, I've made this one. Let me try to turn it again. Ah, this is so sweet. Guys, can you see that? Babe, come.
Wow! War einfach?
Ja, willst du auch probieren?
Ja.
Okay, so my boyfriend is going to try.
This one.
Okay. So which shape are you going for?
I will make it like a circle and then to the top what I said.
Okay, I don't know if it's gonna fit because they're
So
not that long.
they're not long now. I think that I'll try the same like you did.
No, do something else.
Yeah, then I will try this.
I got this. You can check from here. Oh!
Look at this.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yay!
The mandarin. Okay. Okay, I have to do like a curve. Like this. And then, look, I think it's the same one that you made. I don't know. Okay, let me try something else. Like this. Okay guys, I made this one. This is so beautiful. It looks funny. If I'm to see one of these candles in a shop, I will literally buy them. Like for real. Like, oh my goodness. Let me just put it here to the side. And I don't know which one I am going for next. Oh, the pink one is not yet ready. Okay, let me try something else. Let me try maybe the green one. And oh, it's breaking. It's breaking. Oh no. I turned it way too harsh. I don't know now. Let me see. Like this. Oh, it's breaking. Look. Okay. I don't know. Try to fix it. I'll just leave it. I think I'll just leave this one like this. A J for Josie. Yay! I think I'll leave it like this. Or what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Okay. I'll put a J. So waiting for these ones in water, I'm going to like shape this one so that they can sit. I mean, this one from my boyfriend is sitting quite well, but this one is not. So I don't know. I'm gonna try like cut the bottom so that it really sits better. So I'm going to cut like the bottom. Oh, it's still not. And it breaks. So this one is sitting. Ding. Oops. Okay, so I have to like cut the bottom. Oh. Yes! Oh, I did it! So let me see with the J. Okay, this one is going to be a bit difficult. Let me just cut it at the bottom to create a base. Oops. It's not sitting. No, it's not. Oops. It's falling. Let me try to bend it again. It's falling because this longer part is heavier. So let me just make another shape. Let's see. This one is a pure mess. Like, okay, now it's sitting, but I damaged it here. Oh, this is sad, man. This is sad. And also at the back here on the spot, but it's okay. It's my first trial, so I'm going to wait for these ones here while these ones are sitting. So now, while I waited, I'm going to take this folio. Oops, nothing water there. So I'm going to put my candle here. put the plastic on top. Unfortunately, I didn't have like a rolling pin, so I'm going to use a wine bottle. I don't know if it works. Oh yeah. Oh, it's breaking. It's breaking. Oh, this is sad. But okay. Let me just keep doing it. So yeah. Now that I've rolled it, now it's done. So let me open it. Did you see, guys? It just broke. It's like, I don't know, look how it looks like. Sad. Let me try to like twist it slowly. Yeah, it's working. Twist and twist. And let me twist one more time. Twist, twist, twist. Oops. I'm doing it fast. Oh. This was a fail. It twisted, but it peeled off. Like, oh, this is sad, man. Okay, I'll just put it to the side. Let me try another one. These two are not softening. I have no idea why. Okay, let me try this blue one and just try to twist it without the rolling. Okay, yeah. It's working a bit. It's twisting, but I can't see any shape. Oh, oh, it's breaking. Press it and twist. I'll press it, maybe twist. I don't know if that helps. Oh, this one is a straight fail. Like, no. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay. These ones, they're not cooperating. They're not cooperating at all. I don't know. I think I have to put them in hot water. They're not like, can you hear? They're still hard AF. So I don't know. Let me just try to boil some water and place them in hot water and see what will happen. So I'm just going to take these candles and put them in this tray and try to put hot water. I don't know, because I've put them in cold water and they're not reacting. So I'm just going to pour some hot water in it and see if they react. Oh, they are actually melting. Oh my god, what did I do? They're melting, no. What did I do? Shit. I didn't know that they would melt. Like, what the hell? Oh, what did I just do? Like, look at how they are. Like, I don't know. This one's, oh, yeah. These ones are not bending at all. So I don't know if it's the type of the candle, but I don't know, guys. And look, the whole pink color is gone and they just literally melting in my hands. Anyway, guys, I think I would just end the video right here, right now. and clean my mess. But obviously you're not gonna go without seeing how the other candles turn out to be. It's not like everything was a mess. Now I have wax all over my fingers. Oh damn. So guys, let me just show you how the other candles turn out to be. Look at this color, it's my favorite color. I treated it like this, and this one is the one that my boyfriend made. And yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment. Bye.